my feet, trying to feel anything. Then I see over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later when we smile? Time, is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over.
I'm at Costa right now, like I'm literally here for content. I'm not here to buy anything. So yeah, I want to my eyes, I feel like sleeping. So I said we came here for content. Abby, but my sponsor is buying ice cream for us. He's supposed to come here. Me, I don't want waffle. I want white chocolate.
So, baby, what am I supposed to do?
What?
No, you are the director.
Are you the director of what?
You are the director. Yeah, just give me something.
My own, that's all.
Let me drink what I'm supposed to.
So he doesn't want toppings.
What's going on?
What do you know? You know graphic design.
My face.
14. So we are buying ice cream. So every time I actually come here, I buy this cake batter every single time. And also for my toppings, I do white chocolate. You will always see me buying. Always. Yeah. So hey guys, I said I want to sleep back. Yes, my come on, you won't allow me. So I beg. So like I've been literally waiting for Uber since. I'm not even on the content yet. I'm tired. Voice say timeless. Timeless, baby! If you hear my voice say timeless.
Got a lot of venom in my veins. Got a lot of ice inside my bones. But baby, you should know I wasn't always this way. Yeah. Feelings are made but never born. So we date and we touch and we fuck and we kiss, but you run away when I ask what this is. Cause you don't wanna get emotional. You should know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you like me, and I like you back, I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you
I say in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, say techno! I'm about to bring on one of the baddest DJs in Africa.
It's been a long time. We both fight the same fight, and I
Yes, this. Okay. It's really easy too. I believe it's like this shape. Hi guys, so I just found out that this particular place can be used to vlog. Like, I've been in this house for like more than a year and I've not really realized that I can actually use this place to make my vlog and all of that. But right now that I've realized that I can use this place to make my vlog, guys, it's all over. It's all what? It's all over. So guys, so today is the second day when I bought my microwave, and yesterday I was just, I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys how this was before I kind of like start using it. And so it looks so good. I love where I look. So I bought the microwave because I realized that I've not really been eating well, and I want to start eating well, especially this year, because I feel like it's already telling on me. I could feel it that I'm not eating well and I want that to change. So that's why I decided to just, just get a microwave, and always, at least I can always make food in larger quantities and then keep it in my freezer, like my fridge, and then I microwave it and eat. Like, that's my plan, and I hope that works. And I'll update you guys how that is going. So by the way guys, like, I got a flour, and I don't know who actually sent it to me, but if you actually sent me flour and you're seeing this video right now, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. I got this flour, and then I was like, the vendor didn't disclose the person to me, and I don't know, but I know that. Thank you so much. Like, I literally got emotional, but I feel like I was already over it, so I am not really getting emotional in this particular video. But if you're watching this video and you sent me a flower, thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Like, it really made me feel so special, and like, that's my first time of receiving a flower, and it makes me feel so special. It makes me feel like somebody is thinking about me. It makes me feel like somebody's going out of their way for me. I mean, I broke down the thought process of the person that sent me that flower. Like, you literally like sat down, thought about it, stuff like that, and then sent me a flower. It's really a lot for me, and I do not take it for granted. So if you're watching this video and you sent me that flower, I wish I could actually like comment to your DM to say thank you, but I'm very, very grateful, and I do not take it for granted. Believe me, I do not take it for granted, and you made me feel so special, and you made my day, and I'm very grateful for you. I'm supposed to be looking here. I'm grateful for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. But I'm going to show you guys the flower now. So the flower came like this, and it has a note. You guys can see that it has a note. Like, these are roses. These are scented roses, and they smell really, really good. They smell really, really good. Let me show you guys. Like, they smell really, really amazing. I mean, I love that. They smell really good. And this is for my babes NG on Instagram. I wish I can't find the packaging it came with. It came in actually. This is my babes _NG, or my babes NG. Does it have an underscore? I'll just stick it on bio. And if you're watching this video, my babes on empty. Well done. She did not even disclose the person to me as well. She was like, she's been paid to keep quiet. I'm like, okay, nice one. So this is the card here. It says, congratulations on becoming YouTube partner. You worked so hard and waited especially for this, and I can't be more than proud of your consistency. Time to make all the money for your effort today. Your name shall be a household name for many to reckon with. Love you. Thank you so much. I love you so much as well. Amen to all your prayers. I'm very, very grateful, and I do not take this one for granted at all. Thank you so much. If you sent me this flower, thank you so much. And then, if you don't know, since yesterday that I got it, was it yesterday or 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I can't remember. I've been literally like been doing like this, you know, the way all those Instagram and Snapchat girls used to do. That's how I used to do. So thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate this. I do not take this for granted at all. It means so much to me, and it makes me feel so special. Thank you so much. And so guys, I will see you guys next. I don't know when yet, but you guys will be sick of this place. Like, I found this place now, yeah. Don't worry. So I'll see you guys. I don't know when. I actually have an event on Wednesday, yeah, and I don't know when I'll see you guys, to be honest, but I'll see you guys. So until then, hey guys, so today I'm prepared to go out now, but the only thing about this place is you might not necessarily like see me well, right? So I'm preparing to go out now. I'm ready to go out actually. So I have an event today, and I need to go and collect my outfit from the designer that made me, that helped me to make it. I feel like I'm bending because of the light. So I'm going to collect my outfit from the person that made the outfit. So yeah, I just want to show you guys before I leave home, so that you guys will not be lost when so yeah, I'm leaving home now. I'm already late. I'm running late. I can't wait to see my outfit. I just hope it comes out the way I imagine it in my head. So let's go, guys. Okay. I feel like it's not so tight, like
on the waist.
Okay. Okay. But do you think
Sarah is okay?
there's something that somebody can do about it now? I want something like this. Something like this. I just fitted my outfit, and I think it's okay. So this is the name of the brand. I'll put it on the screen for you guys to see as well. And I'm done here, and I'll soon be going now. I need to get back home. I'm kind of nervous, yeah. So I'm going home now. I'll see you guys at home.
You know too much now.
Feel free to indulge our photographers and take some beautiful pictures. But while we do that, let's also have some.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me style from the street. Look at me starting from the ghetto. They say I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees with the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me, I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody.
Hi guys. Today is today has been very chaotic, but I'm going to like this to you guys later. But for now, can we talk about this?
If you be nobody, never look down or no. Nobody if you be somebody. Somebody if you be nobody, never look down or no. Me I make us.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise. The fact is,
me I wanna shine on the low, oh low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, oh low. Me I wanna get to the door, get the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I know fi talk on. Me I know fi yarn am, yeah. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I know fi talk am. Me I know fi yarn am, yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality.
But it was a good time, by the way. Where are we? Okay. So, guys, let me just see what happened. Yes, church is always a good option. I beg. Yeah, it is. So guys, I forgot to gist you guys about what happened here and how we ended in church. So we didn't plan to go to this church. This is not my church at all. So we're driving that night, and the person that was driving, like the other lady in wig, she couldn't drive at night because it was already night. So she already told somebody that the person was going to come and drive her. It was already night and we were waiting for the person. So we had to drive inside civic center because like some of the roadside guys were harassing us and it was not safe. So when we now stood, we just said, let's stroll down and see what's going on inside the civic center. That's how we realized that, okay, there's a church upstairs. We just said, let's go and worship God. We just said, let's go and worship God, pending the time pending the time the guy comes around. So that was what happened. Yeah, I like it. I just go back home and this light is showing, and I had an amazing night. By the way, and I'm tired. This is like almost 12 a.m. but I got this from a brand, and I think it's Person News, right? So this is what they look like. Because I'm not doing fake promotion. This is not like a content that's supposed to go to on my page, so I'm not going to, you know, make a full video of this. And I'm not doing free promotion, so this is what they look like. And if you know me, you know this is definitely not my vibe, but work. So yeah, that's what they look like. And I was going to, you know, maybe tomorrow or Saturday, I'm just going to do something with them and send it to the owner, and that's it. Hi guys, I started my makeup class. Like, I started learning makeup today. Like, today is like the first time I will have somebody tell me, oh, let me teach you how to do makeup. And this is what I have. I know that it's not perfect, and it's not perfect, and it's not like blended. So don't come for me. But my phone's already got full, right? So this is like my first. I did this one myself, right? And see, everything is still here. Like, my stuffs are still on this table. So I'm just happy. I want to know this thing. And honestly, I feel like, hey, sorry, this thing shook. So the thing is, YouTube and having somebody to teach you cannot be the same thing, because there are some things that she told me that I've not seen in all the YouTube videos I did, right? So I feel like after, like, you know, and she said that my products are like very lighter than my skin. For example, my concealer, she said it's lighter than my skin, because when I bought this stuff, I told the people that sold it for me, like, I want the shade of my skin, and they sold this for me, but she mentioned that this is too bright for me. So, well, and I feel like it's actually telling in the overall look and all of that. But this is like the first time I'll be doing this thing, and I'm very excited about this, and I hope that I will get something out of this, because I've had like many failed attempts at learning makeup, but this time around I want to be serious about it, because I feel like there's some places that I will, even if it's just the basic makeup, let me just put on my face and look put together, because like I feel like makeup makes you kind of look put together in a certain way. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys much later. I need to cook. This is like 2:11. I need to cook because I'm not eating, and then I'm very, very, very famished. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.
Because choir stops singing, then you stop praising. You have to keep praising God all the time. You didn't want to come on me. Who's going to take it? Come together now. Don't be afraid.
Hey guys, so I'm very sure that it's been long you guys saw me, and I don't know, see, this time around I don't even know how this vlog thing is going anymore, because I have storage issues a lot, and it's actually affecting the way I vlog and all of that. So besides, I don't have time to edit the ones I have on my phone, so it's a major challenge for me. But today, this after church, Sha. Just finished from church. I don't know why I'm so pumped today. I shall know that I'm pumped. So, hold on to you guys. So, I actually just wanted to this to you guys that I made a review about a cinema, and it actually went a bit viral on TikTok, and honestly, from the reactions of people, so from people's reaction, you can tell that first, people do not read, people do not pay attention to details, and people don't do things with open mind. Like, for example, like when you make a review, right, you literally put every details there, but some people are just there that they are not even ready to check all the details you're putting, and then they come to the conversation and be like, what you're saying is the lie, blah, blah. I've just seen a lot, and it's not getting to me. Like, I find it very interesting, maybe because of the kind of platform it is. Maybe if it's Twitter or Instagram, I'll be pained, but that place, I don't take them so seriously on that app. So, but it was a nice thing, Sha, and what else I want to tell you guys about it, and it actually feels good to see your videos do so well, and people, you know, accepting it that way. So, by the way, Sha, I'm going to the beach today. I'm not going to do a proper video of the beach, because if you don't know yet, I have like a new show I want to do. I've not started it yet, but I've told you guys on this channel. Maybe by the time I'm posting this video, this vlog, I would have started it already, because I even already have some content that I have not posted. So I'm going to the beach today. So I want to go back to the beach again to make a video for my new show. So that's that about that. I think I actually love shirts. If you love me, just buy me Shibon shirts that looks like this or finer than this. You see, you get, I don't know, I love shirts a lot, and I love how this one looks on me. I have an event on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. I don't even know how I'm going to go about it. So, by the way, I was consistent on Instagram last week. Although I was really very, very tired and burnt out, but I enjoyed it because I could see the difference, right? So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys much later. Bye. Yeah, I'm going to see you guys much later, Sha. I'll show you a bit of the beach. So, yeah. Hi guys. So I left Seoul. I was supposed to go to Seoul, but I left Seoul because they said we have to sit down. Don't worry, I'll make a video of the place like later. So they said we have to sit down. We have to pay money to sit down at the swimming pool and also at the beachfront. I didn't even have views with the beachfront, but by the pool as well. Nah, not fam. So this is the entrance. So like apparently they are in the same compound. I just came to the good beach. I just came back to the good beach. So let us go. I'm tired and exhausted. You talk to me, but if you run, I catch you.
You're good. Thank you, yeah. Thank you.
Shekole.
No, it's not strong.
Oh, sorry. I mean, is it not?
It's not in excess.
Excess.
So, no.
Thank you.
Yeah, I get that. It's lay means strong.
It's context. It's contextual. It's context, not intonation. It's the context you are talking from.
Ole, lay. It's two different vowel sounds.
Okay. Lay.
It's intonation.
Yeah, right. Okay, we can go. So the last time I was at the good beach, there was no space like this, and getting to the beach this particular day and realizing that they have this place called the Good Village for different food vendors and other vendors like fashion stores and all of that. And I found that really fascinating and interesting because it's not boring as the last time I went. Even this place was not there the last time I went. So catch you guys later. Bye.